to Tech Solutions. Do you want to see your history of copied items which you copied sometimes back, and you want to choose something to paste it? Then you came to the right place. I will show you how can we enable the copy history on your Windows 10 PC if it is not enabled already for you, and then how to use it. So let's start. So now let's understand the problem first. I have this notepad open where I have some text items, item 1, item 2, item 3 and item 4. So let's take an example of first one. Suppose I copied item 1 and I want to paste it. So as I copied this item 1 now and I'm pasting, it's able to paste it because that was the last item I copied in my. So let's copy item number 2. So now I have item number 2 here copied to my clipboard. Similarly, I copied item number 3, and now let's copy item number 4. So now let me try paste. Obviously, as I'll try to paste, the item number 4 will be copied. Pasted. So paste it. Yes, item number 4 is pasted because that was the last item in my clipboard. But let's say you copied item number 1, you did some work, item number 2, similarly item number 3 and item number 4. Now you want to go back and copy your item number 1 somewhere. So how to do that? First of all, you should have your history enabled, copy history enabled, and then we will see how to use it. So to see your history of copied items, there is a shortcut which we can use, that is Windows key plus V. So in my case, if I try to use it now, I do not have the history enabled on my PC. Either you can press the Control plus V and you will see this kind of pop-up and you can turn it on, and this way it will turn on your history, the copy history. But I'll show you another way as well. So let me close this pop-up, go to search and search for the settings. Actually I recently did the search, so it's there. So click on the settings, go to system settings. Here you can navigate to clipboard settings, and the first settings, clipboard history, you can turn it on. So this is how you can do it. Another way, you can turn on your clipboard history. So now I'm going to close it. So obviously now I turn on the history, so I don't think so I can see any items in my clipboard history, but still let me just show you. Windows plus V. So your clipboard is empty. So let's do this. Let's copy item number 1, then item number 2, item number 3 and item number 4. So if I paste something here, obviously it will give me the last copied items from my clipboard. But now I want to go back to copy something, item number 2 or item number 1. For that, just press the Windows plus V button, and you see we have whole history here. We did the first item copied, then item 1 copied, then item 2 copied, item 3 copied and item 4 copied. And this is how we can copy all over. We can maintain the history of our copies, and you can just select item number 3. This works on anything you copy in your clipboard, so it's not just the text. So let me copy this. Let's take an example of image. So let me snip something which is an image for me. I'll copy it, and now let's use our history. Control V. Here it is. Actually, it's copied 2 times because I snipped and then I copied. So yes, it works on image as well. So starting from item 1 to item is image items. And this is how you can maintain the history of your clipboard, and you can use it using this Control V button. If it is not enabled for you first time, it will ask you to turn on the settings. Also, I showed you how to go to the settings and turn it on. Now let's see some other example, some more features about this clipboard. So you see the three little icons at the top, right top. If you click it, you can pin this copied items, and if you clear all the things will be gone and only pinned items will be stay on your clipboard. This is how it will give you the pinned items staying on your clipboard. All right, this is just a quick tutorial. If you liked it, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos, and you can get the notifications easily. Thank you and stay connected.